it's Hannah with WTI. We all need hand towels to dry our hands. We might as well love the ones we're drying our hands with.
And these towels by Rumi and Shams, I love. The first thing I noticed when I got them was how incredibly soft they are. It's like it was a little cushion. So beautiful. I couldn't wait to show my husband. They're beautiful towels. They look great even as just decoration on the shelf in my bathroom. They're 100% cotton. They wash and dry up really well. I love this neutral color gray because it goes with any room in our house. So whether it's in one of our bathrooms or if we wanted to use it as a kitchen towel, it would go everywhere. But they have tons of colors available if you want a little bit of variety. The texture of this is just really unique and pretty. It's not just a plain towel, but it has such pretty texture to it. These are so luxurious. They really upped our bathroom and made it look like a luxury hotel room. So if you're looking for some really luxurious hand towels, these are perfect.
But that's just my point of view.